KHA47 has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Adams, or near Friendship, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westfield, Lawrence, Nash Coral, Springfield Corners, and Harrisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe